The Clinical Data Acquisition Standards Harmonization, or CDASH standard, is CDISC's foundational standard for collecting clinical research data. CDASH and related standards can provide much of the information needed to create case report forms for a study. CDASH is designed to be utilized for any kind of research data, from clinical trials to observational research. Aligned with CDISC's SDTM standard, CDASH plays an important role in the path that data take, starting from their definition in the protocol through to their destination in regulatory submissions, repositories, publications, and more. This alignment is critical to ensuring that the collected data retain the same meaning as they progress through the research process, which is key to ensuring traceability. CDASH consists of a model and an implementation guide with metadata tables for a select set of data. CDASH also uses CDISC's controlled terminology. We will explore the implementation guide further in the video titled Introduction to the CDASH Implementation Guide. CDASH can be used to create case report forms and electronic data capture implementations, and to support dataset design. CDASH is system agnostic, meaning it covers data captured by any means, from handheld devices to case report forms to electronic data transfers. CDASH is closely aligned with the SDTM data standard, but they serve different purposes. CDASH is optimized for data capture and is designed to make the process of collecting data as straightforward and accurate as possible. It has to be flexible enough to accommodate a wide variety of data capture technologies. SDTM, on the other hand, is designed to be machine-readable and predictable, and is optimized for aggregating and organizing data. In general, a data model is a generic representation of real-world situations and allows us to make generalizations about data structures that we can then use to create new implementations. The CDASH model organizes data into 3 general observation classes, plus some additional groupings. These observational classes are called interventions, events, and findings. Interventions are treatments that we give to the participant, or they take themselves, that usually have some kind of physiological effect. This effect may or may not be beneficial. Events are things that happen. They may or may not happen to everyone, though. Findings are the results of tests, measurements, surveys, and the like that we perform on the participants. There is also a special purpose class for data that have different structures, such as demographics. Each of these classes includes information about the generic variables or questions that can be included. This includes the generic CDASH variable name and a spelled-out label, a definition, the questions and prompts that could appear on the case report form, and the code lists or controlled terminology that might be used with the question. The CDASH model also includes the target variable in SDTM where the data should go, and some information about any transformations that might be needed. The CDASH model tells us about collected data generally. It is important to remember that the CDASH model and the CDASH implementation guide work together. In the video Introduction to the CDASH Implementation Guide, we explore the CDASH Implementation Guide and see how these generic definitions can be applied to specific types of data.